Welcome to the ArborSafe tutorial on how to supply ArborSafe with tree work updates. In this video we will explain the three methods of sending us updates via individual tree work orders, a PDF of the risk work quotations report, or tree work history record sheet.
When you have had tree works completed, it is important that the information you send to us for updating is clear and specific about the particular works done. This is vital to ensure the actions entered are correct and any reduction in risk is validated. The first method for supplying updates is by emailing us individual work orders for each tree worked on, which you can find in the report section. So we'll choose particular trees. We can go into advanced search and we'll look for all removals. We'll search for those ones, reports, and your work order reports are here under risk reports. Click PDF, and these reports will be generated. Close that down. Work orders should be supplied to your tree contractors prior to the work commencing, and they should fill them out with the necessary details when on site, checking off the work they have completed. Note that the information on how to supply your contractors with work orders and how they should fill them out is available in our specific tutorials on these subjects. You should check the information on the work orders is correct and then email them to us at as_updates@civica.com.au for our team to enter for you. The second method for supplying updates is with a PDF of the Risk Works Quotations report. This method is useful if there are a large number of trees that have been worked on, and you can generate a full report of all your trees, or you can run a report of only the trees that have been worked on by typing the relevant tree numbers into the tree field. So here we've just chosen the removal ones, but we could put in a particular set of numbers if you know which trees have been worked on. Or in advanced search, we can choose under general arborist actions which actions have been prioritized. So perhaps all removals, and perhaps we'll also add all high risk. We'll see what tree works have been done. So these three trees have been worked on. So they will appear on your site map once they've been selected. You go to the Reports tab on the right hand side, and under Reports we're going to quote by risk. Select this one, click PDF. So these trees are going to appear here on your PDF, and only the works that have been completed. And these are the actions. So firstly, fill in the supplier details in the area on the top right of the page, and then you can tick the works that were completed on each tree and write in the cost for each works as per tree shown. This can be done by you by using the supplier invoice for information, or by your supplier after they have finished the works. You'll need to have the details of the specific work actions completed for each tree if working off the invoice. If your supplier gives you a total cost for the tree's works, you can enter this in the cost section here, their total quote, and ArborSafe will divide this cost evenly across all the trees with completed works. Note that the cost of the large removals will be the same as a small job in this case, such as deadwooding. Once you have checked the information is correct, you can email the PDF report to as_updates@civica.com.au. Now I will show this email on the screen at the end of this tutorial. So let's close this down. And let's get all our trees back, show all our trees. So the third option for supplying updates is by using the Tree Works record sheet, and this can be found in your ArborSafe software in the Reports tab to the right and under Policy and Forms. So here's your Policy and Forms, and it is so it's right here, Tree Works record sheet. Let's click on that. and click Go. So this Excel form lists all the information needed for updating your tree work. So fill in as many sections as you can to record the details of works performed by a supplier or by staff on existing trees on your site. You can print this form out to write on it or fill in the details on your computer and save it for future reference. Try to be as specific as possible when filling out the sections. Fill out any works completed relating to any arborist or general actions listed in your assessment on that particular tree. Once you've checked the information is correct, you can email that form to us at as_updates@civica.com.au for our team to enter the works into your software for you. If you've any queries or require any further assistance with the updating, please don't hesitate to contact the update team at ArborSafe, and we're always happy to help you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you require any more information not found in our tutorials, please contact ArborSafe on the phone number or email found on this screen.